Welcome. If you've added your birthday on Telegram and now want to remove it, you're in the right place. Whether it's for privacy reasons or you just prefer to keep your personal details minimal, Telegram makes it easy to update your profile settings in just a few taps. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where your birthday is currently visible. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. This will open up your account options and settings. From there, tap on My Profile. This section shows your personal information, including your name, bio, and any details you've added, like your birthday. Now, in the top corner of your profile screen, tap on the Edit icon. This will take you into the editing mode where you can update or remove your personal information. Scroll through the available fields until you find your birthday. When you see it, simply tap on Remove Birthday. Telegram will instantly delete this information from your profile. That's it. Your birthday is now removed, and it will no longer be visible to anyone on Telegram. Keeping your profile updated is a great way to stay in control of your privacy. If you found this helpful, you might also want to explore other privacy settings on Telegram to further customize what others can see about you.